iPhone still rings even with Do Not Disturb turned on? Here's how to fix it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Focus. Now, select Do Not Disturb. This section controls who and what can still reach you when DND is on. Next, select People. Change the setting to Allow Notifications From. Remove any selected contacts. Next, you'll see an option called Allow Calls From. Choose Allowed People Only. To make sure no one bypasses DND, don't add anyone to the allowed list. Next, turn off Allow Repeated Calls. Now, when you turn on Do Not Disturb, all calls will stay silent. And that's it. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.